Today our focus is on quality, which has always been a core value for SEG. This is our SEG Noise Lab in Stuttgart. Noise is the first impression a customer gets of the quality of our products, like this baseline generator. This lab is run by a dedicated group of colleagues who for many years have done an amazing job of making quality measurable and ensuring that our products meet our customers' strict requirements in terms of noise emission. Our customers' trust and our long-term business relations depend on uniform quality standards. Today I am joined by Nikolaus Pröbsting, Vice President Quality at SEG since April 2020. Klaus, what is your view on quality?
Quality matters for all of us. Our quality mindset can actually help us to be competitive, also in terms of prices and technology. Dedication to quality reduces costs through continuous improvement and avoiding defects as part of our quality assurance. Applying quality standards to our innovation processes also ensures that we create safe products which fulfill our customers' high expectations.
True, customer-centric quality mindset is the basis for our continued success. From engineering to quotations, offers and order management. From our own production to the entire logistic chain. And throughout all supporting functions from purchasing to finance. From HR to marketing and to IT. To say it clearly, we can have the most exciting products and even world-class manufacturing. If our quality is poor, the OEMs will not buy from us.
We have also summarized our quality policy in 5 simple principles. We aim to fully satisfy customer expectations. We take preventive steps to assure quality. We continuously work on improving our processes. We comply with all external and internal standards and requirements. And finally, we take responsibility and ownership for quality. Every single one of us.
We are recognized across the world for our high quality, and we worked hard to obtain this reputation. But we cannot take it for granted. The 5 quality principles you, Klaus, have mentioned must become part of our SEG DNA and mindset.